Do you like K-pop? Do you like Korean content? What's your favorite Korean food? Are you planning to study Korean through K-pop or K-content? Then here are the perfect books for you. Hello, my name is Cameron Word. I'm an MC on Power English, a radio program on the Korea Education Broadcasting Station, also known as EBS. Today, I would like to talk to you about Darakwon's K-Culture Korean language books, where you can learn Korean language and culture through the international phenomenon that is K-content. They are the K-pop Korean series, Korean for K-pop travelers, and Easy&Fun Korean recipes. Let's take a look at the K-pop Korean series. This series of textbooks teaches the Korean language through K-pop songs that have taken the world by storm. These books were tailor-made for beginning learners of Korean who have an interest in K-pop and even want to learn about Korean culture. And they're also great for more casual lovers of the Korean language and K-pop. K-pop Korean contains lyrics from a total of 20 K-pop songs, with Korean expressions that are simple yet useful in everyday life. The series piques Korean language learners' interests with a variety of K-pop songs that remain popular both inside and outside of Korea, and explains Korean grammar using phrases that appear in song lyrics. The best thing is that you can become familiar with real Korean, like abbreviations and language patterns that Koreans commonly use, but that can't be found in other Korean textbooks. K-pop Korean 2 is the sequel to K-pop Korean and contains a selection of 22 songs from 8 of the hottest K-pop groups of today. It's structured so that you can see all the lyrics of each song at once, and 2 core Korean expressions are selected from each song so that you can not only learn the meaning, but can also see example sentences that show you how these Korean expressions are actually used. A bit different from the first book I introduced, this second book contains vocabulary and proverbs related to the song lyrics that help to understand ambiguous or implied meanings in the songs. And not just that. Explanations of Korean culture related to the songs help learners to understand the cultural background. In the second book, a QR code links to recordings of the target phrases and vocabulary spoken by professional voice actors.
오늘 만나긴 좀 그렇고 내일 만나자. 미안해.
So that learners can check the Korean pronunciation, which helps them enjoy listening to expressions that pop up in their favorite songs. How would you like to travel around Seoul with the K-pop girl group Favorite? Now I'd like to talk about Korean for K-pop travelers. Korean for K-pop travelers is a useful book of conversational travel Korean made for K-pop fans who love Korea, want to directly experience K-pop culture, and are planning a trip to Korea. Structured with 15 chapters that cover a 4-night, 5-day excursion in Seoul, the book teaches basic expressions and vocabulary necessary for lodging, meals, shopping, and more. It also includes useful Korean for situations such as buying tickets to attend performances and visiting Seoul's famous tourism sites. Every Korean expression is translated into English, and pronunciations are romanized so that the expressions can be used precisely when you need them. You can watch videos of the K-pop girl group Favorite as they travel through Seoul by using the book's QR codes and feel like you are right there witnessing all the sights of Seoul with a 4-night, 5-day tour that teaches you Korean expressions. In addition, included with the book is a map showing all of Seoul's most famous places and useful information for travelers so that you can have fun visiting the holy land of K-pop without a hitch. Do you all like K-food? Are you curious about the Korean food you've seen in K-content? Now we'll take a look at a book that will quench your thirst for all things K-food and Korean language. It's Easy&Fun Korean Recipes. Easy and Fun Korean Recipes is a book for the many Korean language students interested in K-food. It's a textbook that teaches words and phrases related to food and cooking, while showing you how to make 40 of the most simple yet essential Korean foods. The book is divided into 6 sections based on foods and snacks all Koreans love to eat: kimchi, rice, eggs, tofu, meat, seafood, and more. Recipes are explained step by step with pictures so that anyone can follow along. You can also watch YouTube videos of the author making and explaining the dishes in the book by accessing the included QR codes. The videos are a fun and easy way to learn the phrases and recipes often used in Korean cuisine. Do you love Korean culture and so you want to speak Korean fluently? If that's the case, then be sure to check out Darakwon's K-Culture Korean language books. Darakwon's K-Culture Korean language books are your guide to mastering Korean language and culture. We provide you with the joy of learning. Darakwon.